So also this endeavor po, no, ito pong ginagawa natin will not all happen without really having a purpose. So bukod po sa pagpagaling po sa mga tao, our purpose here is really to improve lives. It's really to make an impact. And that's why lahat po ng mga income natin dito po sa Nanosal and also in Nanocell, it goes towards helping the less privileged. So, sa buong Pilipinas po, ang pinaka tinatamaan po ng malnutrition na sector ay ang ating mga senior citizen. May mga senior citizen po ba dito? Are you here? Are you senior citizens here in our audience? Guess what po, no? Every time po, no, that our sales, no, we hit a certain volume, we make sure that we give back to the community. And for me, that's very important po. If you're gonna build a business, you're gonna build uh, a, a business truly that you want to make an impact, it's truly by helping the people na less fortunate. And of course, our senior citizen needs the most help, okay? Especially in terms of their nutrition. So lahat po ng mga nakikita nyo dyan na mga nakaupo dyan, bibigyan po sila dyan ng free na supplement good for 1 month. Yun po yung ginagawa natin dyan. We call that project Magulang Ko, Mahal Ko. Okay po ba? Maganda po ba? So if you want this, if you are with us, na gusto nyo rin po makatulong po sa mga senior citizen, can you type 5 in the chat box right now? Sige nga po, if you are with us na gusto nyo rin po makatulong sa mga senior citizen sa inyong barangay, sa inyong city, type 5 in the chat box. Baka malay nyo po, kayo na po yung next na mag-organize po, no, ng Magulang Ko, Mahal Ko sa inyong barangay, sa inyong syudad. At ito yung bagay na sinasabi natin, no. Kumbaga, meron tayong naambag, di ba? So, ayan po. So now as we talk about again, thank you so much for those responses, no. Polygon, Bernard, Undayan, no. Si Ma'am Belen is here as well. So, galing, di ba? So, ano ba yung ginagawa natin dito sa NanoCell? How are we creating more impact? So, bukod po doon sa pagtulong sa mga senior citizen, no? Even sa inyo po, we wanna be a we wanna add value to you. We wanna be a group of people that really adds value to your life. So, right now, let's talk about the health solution program here in NanoCell. So, if you guys are ready, let's go. Okay, so right now po, we're facing global health crisis. And you may not be aware of it or you may be aware of it, but the numbers are staggering. No? Imagine 1 in 8 women will have breast cancer in their lifetime. Same with men. 1 in 8 men will have prostate cancer in their lifetime. 1 in 8 adults have kidney disease. 1 in 5 adults are considered obese. 1 in 11 adults have diabetes. And half of them, walang idea na diabetic po sila. Now, all of these are happening because of many different reasons. Hindi lang po isa. But pag pinagsama-sama nyo po lahat ng mga sinasabi ko po dito, from processed food, unhealthy oils, kung mahilig pa rin kayong mag-take ng canola oil, oh, that is a very dangerous po yan na oil. Actually, hindi po yan ginagamit as food dati. Ginagamit po yan para pang-lubricate ng mga sasakyan, yung canola oil. Wala pong halaman na canola. Yan po ay Canadian oil. So if you still have canola oil in the house, please throw it away. Do not use that. It's very harmful for your liver. Everyday po, no, yung kinakain po natin, meron po yung mga additives. Every year po, no, on average, ang isang tao po, kumakain po siya ng 5 kilos or more na additives to their food, which is actually very bad also for your hormones, no. Bukod po doon, nagkakaroon pa tayo ng mga parasites, toxin, mga dumi na hindi nilalabas, stress, pagsamasamahan nyo na po yan. Now, with this great problem that we are now facing, we believe that there's also a game-changing opportunity. So we believe here in NanoCell. NanoCell is the marketing arm of Nanosci. Okay? We believe that this is the solution. That by healing the cell healing the body at the cellular level, we can actually create a big change in the overall well-being of a person. By taking care of the very small cell, doon tayo magsimula. Yun ang pagalingin natin. It will also mean gagaling po yung buong katawan. So that's why, kung isipin po natin, no, yung mga cellphone natin, no, pag yan bumabagal na, ginagawa lang natin, nire-reset lang natin. Restored factory setting. Sabi, di ba? What if we can also reboot our bodies na para nagre-reboot ka ng cellphone? That's why we are promoting this program which we call Reset, Nature's Power Button. This is a 3-step program wherein your body will literally, no, talagang babalik siya good as new. Yun yung goal po natin dito. Now, once you start doing this, you will really see yung effect po nito sa inyong katawan. So, exciting po ba? Gusto niyo po bang marinig po ito? Gusto niyo po bang malaman po itong reset? So, let's go. So, the first step po is to release toxins, release digestive sludge, release heavy metals, pathogens, and maybe even parasites. Wala po sa atin nagagawin po ito, no? Maligo sa dagat ng basura, di ba? But hindi natin alam, our cells are doing this on a daily basis dahil yung katawan po natin, ang daming toxins. Ang tawag po dyan, auto-intoxication. Madaling salita, self-poisoning. We're poisoning ourselves. Now, our body has 5 organs that cleans the body, namely the colon, liver, kidney, lungs, and the skin. Yun po yung tamang order ng paglilinis. Now, when we talk about detox, most people just think about colon cleansing. But in fact, it needs these 5 organs na malinis. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, we are introducing this breakthrough product which we call Nucleanse Detox. This is a powerful supplement containing 5 powerful ingredients that will basically cleanse your colon, your liver, your kidney, your lungs, and your skin. This is systemic cleansing po. Gagawin po natin. Now, the beauty here is, it is gentle on the body. Hindi po ito katulad ng mga ibang mga cleansing product na pag nag-take po kayo, halos ilabas po nila, pati bituka mo, maidumin nyo na po. Hindi po siya ganon. So, this is a 21-day kit wherein every day, just mix it with cold water before going to sleep. Okay? Anong lasa niyan, Sir Lem? It tastes like matcha. No, it was formulated in such a way that you'll be able to drink it on a daily basis. Okay? So, yun po yung idea dyan. Because every day, no, araw-araw naliligo tayo. Maganda sana, no, on a daily basis for 21 days, mag-cleansing po tayo. Now, it depends na po sa inyong katawan if you wanna cleanse every 3 months, every 6 months, every year. It depends na po sa need po ng inyong katawan. But we recommend na meron tayong regular cleansing process. Okay? Detoxification process. And that's why we have Nucleanse Detox. Galing, no? So you just bring it everywhere. You just get a sachet, no? Bring it, put it in your bag, go anywhere. Pag kailangan mo na mag-detox, mix mo lang. Hindi po kayo, what's the right term? Yung parang maghahanap lagi ng CR. Hindi po siya ganun. Okay? So are you still with me, guys? Are you learning? Can you type 5 in the chat box if nagustuhan niyo po itong ating Nucleanse? Ayan, si Sir Rene. Thank you, Sir Rene. Now, who else needs to cleanse? Now, our skin is the 5th cleanser the 5th janitor of our body. Now, the state of the body is also reflected by the skin. Now, once your skin is becoming dull looking, it may be a sign that your liver is not detoxifying properly. That's why we highly recommend this next product, which we call Bloom. Okay? So what is Bloom? Bloom Gluta is actually a detoxification of the liver product. So basically, what you need to do, just take it daily. Now, what it does, it contains reduced glutathione, which will help remove toxins in the liver. It also contains precursors. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung mga ingredients, mga proteins na kailangan ng katawan para makagawa ka ng sarili mong gluta. Para habang tulog ka, gumagawa yung katawan mo ng sariling gluta. Also, it contains collagen na maganda pong pantanggal po ng ating mga wrinkles. Yan, yung mga wrinkles, no? So, maganda po yung collagen. So, basta may balat, babanatin po niya yan. Okay? Meron din po siyang aronia berry, which is very rich in antioxidant. Also, vitamin C. So, if you're taking vitamin C daily, my friend, I suggest i-take mo na yung Bloom Gluta, may kasama na po yung vitamin C. Now, according to our experts, according to our doctors, kasi sabi ko po kanina, ang nanosay po, majority po ng kanyang mga clients are doctors. Now, according to them, this is not from us, that's from them, that by taking 2 capsules every day can actually make your skin so radiant like never before. No, ilang days na lang po, no? New Year na. Okay? So simulan na po natin para New Year, new look, no? So start taking your Bloom Gluta, and I'm telling you, wala po sa Korea, wala po sa Japan ng Blessed Gluta. Nandito po sa Pilipinas, nasa Subic po 'yan. Again, hindi po galing sa akin 'yan. Galing po 'yan dun sa mga doktor na sa Nanosai po kumukuha ng products. Talaga sabi po nila, no, hindi pwedeng i-compare yung quality na meron dito sa Nanosai. But don't take our word for it. Please, do try it yourself. Tanong nyo po kay Sir Philip. Ayan, tanong nyo po kay Sir Philip. Di ba? Grabe po ang epekto po niyan. Okay? Ayan. So, sabi nga ni Sir Philip, Nucleans, may bago tayo from Bicol. Napakaganda sa kanya ng Nucleans. 3 days pa lang. Ayan, totoo yan, Sir Philip. Ayan, good evening and welcome kay Ma'am Fida of the Rise Up team. Hello po, Ma'am Fida. Welcome, welcome po sa ating Zoom call. And the third product po sa ating release step is with what we call Carvacrol. Now, kung first time po niyo marinig yung Carvacrol, this is the active ingredient in oregano. This Carvacrol po is actually extracted not from the big leaf na oregano, but on the smaller one, the Oreganum compactum. Now, bakit po doon? Based po sa mga pag-aaral, sa mga analysis po, no, namin dito sa Nanosai, what they found out is that hindi akma yung malalaking dahon para gawin siyang concentrated form. So kumbaga, hindi siya ganoon ka-safe compared po dun sa mga maliliit. At ang mas maganda rin po, yung maliliit po, mas potent po yung kanyang Carvacrol. So, ano ba ibig sabihin no pag sinabi mo mas potent? Mas mabilis po niyang mapapatay yung bacteria, yung virus, yung fungi. Sino po dito lagi may tonsillitis? If you have that, kuha po kayo ng Carvacrol, no, every day, kagatin niyo po siya, let it go to your tonsils. So this will help, no, relieve and bring down the inflammation from your tonsils. Also, meron po ba dito may kilala po na merong mga gingivitis, no? Alam niyo na po ba na yung ating oral health, the oral health, kung mayroon ka mga ngipin na nabubulok, okay? Kunyari nagpaano ka, tawag doon yung pinapatay yung nerves, root canal. Many people na na-stroke, no? I'm not saying all, but many people na na-stroke po when they will study, nakita po nila mayroon po sa kanila na marami silang mga oral cavities o kaya meron silang root canal. So this bacteria in our mouth can actually affect po yung ating cardiovascular system. So by taking Carvacrol every day, wala po itong side effect. Every day, take Carvacrol, kagatin nyo po siya, you are actually protecting your mouth. So you're also preventing stroke from happening and other problems in the heart. Maganda po ba? Okay po ba yon? So again so this is very good po, no? As a habit, kagatin nyo po siya daily. So that, alam nyo po ba yung mouthwash? Di ba yung mouthwash? Masama po siya. Hindi po recommended yung mouthwash. No, bukod po sa it can also be harmful sa teeth, it can actually kill off the good bacteria as well. Now, maganda po sa Carvacrol, it's safe po, no, para do sa mga ibang bacteria na kailangan natin, but do sa mga harmful ones, maganda po na take natin siya. Ito po maganda diyan. Another problem of many people are parasites. Many people do not know this, but let me ask you, kailan ka huling nagpurga? Kailan ka huling naglabas ng mga parasites from your body? Now, by taking Carvacrol on a daily basis, this can actually kill off yung mga maliliit na mga maliit na worms, no, in our gut, in our body. So yan po, masasama natin yan sa pagdumi po natin. Pag lagi po sumasakit ang ulo nyo, na parang di mo na ma-explain, kumain ka naman, sumasakit yung ulo mo, it's the parasites, umiihi po sila. Kaya po yung hininga, iba yung amoy, yung po yung dumi ng mga parasites. So by taking Carvacrol, you are also preventing these things from happening. Okay po ba? So ano po yung first 3 products natin para sa release step? Number 1 is Nuclex. Number 2 is Bloom. And number 3 is Carvacrol. So, welcome po also kay Sir Justin Reyes. Welcome po kayo dito, Sir Justin. So again tanungin ko po kayo, doon po sa 3 product, alin po yung nagustuhan nyo? Sige nga po, let's go to the chat box. Ano dyan yung nagustuhan nyo? Is it, yes, Sir Rene, for fresh breath din po yan. Ayan. Sige nga po, ano po nagustuhan nyo? Lahat daw kay Sir Rene. Okay? So again, but we really recommend po, no, before you take our other products, at least sa 3 ito po, no, simulan nyo po at least isa po dyan sa 3. Na at least 3 days po, gamitin nyo muna yan bago po kayo mag-move on dun sa next step po natin. Alright? So the next step, after mo mag-release ng toxins, ng parasites, no, ng heavy metals, next is to reload. Now, reload step is here because kulang na po yung sustansya, yung enzymes, at antioxidants sa ating katawan. Bakit? Kasi lahat ng kinakain po natin, panay free radicals po yan. Especially po pag piniprito ang isang bagay sa pagkain, what happens is tumataas po yung kanyang mga free radicals. So yung mga free radicals po niyan can eventually cause cancer. Okay? So that's why we need to bring them down. So dapat sa kinakain po natin, dapat marami din po antioxidants. Dati naman talaga, lahat ng kinakain natin, maraming antioxidants kasi natural pa lahat. Pero sa panahon po ngayon, lahat na po ng kinakain natin, I would even say 60 to 80% na kinakain natin are processed food. Kung teenager ka pa, baka 90% ang kinakain mo ay processed food. Diba? So, it's very important that all of us reload nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants. So, how? So, we have a product which we call spirulina. So, what is spirulina? Spirulina is actually one of our flagship products. Masasabi ko na talagang mga produktong naglagay sa atin sa mapa. Okay? So, spirulina is a very low cost and effective solution for malnutrition. To those who don't know, no, spirulina actually has been used for many years already. The earliest recorded was yung mga Aztecs, no, sa Mexico, but actually the African people have been using it for maybe even longer time pa. Now, ang kagandahan po sa spirulina is because it's the richest food in nature. Wala na pong mas masustansya pa dyan. It has the most amount of nutrients that is bioavailable. What do I mean by bioavailable? Minsan po kasi pag kumakain tayo ng mga prutas, mga pagkain, hindi po lahat siya na-absorb natin. Baka nga 20% lang, 25% lang po yung nagagamit ng katawan natin. The rest po tinatapon. Now, this food, pag kinain nyo po siya, very close to 100% po, na-absorb niya po lahat ng sustansya. And I'm very proud to say that here in NanoCell, okay, we are one of the 19 facilities regulated by the Swiss organization na that they make sure that the quality, that the process are following strict European standards. So whenever you take products from us, you are sure that all of these are really going to be safe and effective for you and your family. So take note po one of the 19 worldwide. Okay? So we are very blessed to be one of them. Now, to those who are very new to spirulina, ang spirulina po, ang shape po niya ay spiral. Doon po nanggaling ang kanyang pangalan na spirulina. Okay? So spiral po siya. The spiral shape is there so that sa tubig po, umiikot-ikot po siya. Para lahat ng sides niya, laging tinatamaan po yun ng araw. Because sunlight is its food. Its color is blue-green, not just green. The green color is the most effective way of absorbing sunlight. But by adding the blue light, it's able to absorb all of the spectrum ng sunlight. Ibig sabihin, marami siyang nakukuhang energy, marami siyang nakukuhang sustansya galing sa araw na hindi nakukuha ng ibang mga pagkain. So, ang beauty rin po niyan, pag kinain mo siya dahil wala siyang membrane, wala siyang cell wall, hindi katulad ng mga halaman, pag kinain niyo po siya, in 4 minutes, kahit hindi mo yan nguyain, ia-absorb yan ng katawan mo. And unlike other nutrients, pag tinik mo yung mga ibang supplement, kailangan pa silang i-breakdown ng liver mo. Ang spirulina, hindi na. Once you eat it, it is already ready for absorption. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Kung mahina panunaw mo, may sakit ka, you have problem, kunyari wala ka ng gallbladder, okay? Pinutol yung bituka mo, hindi na ganun ka madaling mag-absorb for you. Whenever you take this product, you are sure you are maximizing your absorption of nutrients. That's why, kung ako lang po sana lahat ng pamilyang Pilipino may ganito sa bahay. Because kung iisipin po ninyo, no, mahilig ba kayo sa tinapay? No? Meron yung bromine, yung tinapay po may bromine po 'yon. Ang isang yung dalawat kalahati na loaf of bread, katumbas po nun ay 12 spirulina. And in the same 12 spirulina, para na po kayo kumain ng 550 apples. The same 12 spirulina contains 28 glasses of milk in terms of calcium. In the same 12 spirulina, meron po kayong 2 kalahating atay ng baka in terms of iron. Kung ikaw ay hirap matulog, baka anemic ka, kailangan mo na mag-spirulina. So, sino ditong high blood? Tumataas ang blood pressure. Baka kulang lang tayo sa magnesium. Meron din po yan dito. Ang wala lang po ang spirulina is vitamin C. Kasi kung marami kang beta-carotene, wala kang vitamin C. Ganun po yun. Kung marami kang vitamin C, wala ka naman beta-carotene. Alright? So, buti na lang po meron tayong vitamin C rin po sa iba nating mga products. So, but again, if you would really be looking into the amount of nutrients na meron po kayo dito, parang ganito po yan. The amount of nutrients in one tablet, kung bibili ako sa palengke, gagastos po ako ng almost 1,000 pesos. Almost 1,000 pesos dun sa palengke para bumili ng mga pagkain na yon. Makukuha ko lamang sa isang tabletas po ng spirulina. Ganun po siya kasustansya. And that's why we believe every Filipino needs to have this. Okay? And ito po hindi po lahat ng spirulina pare-parehas. Hindi naman tayo nagsasabi na wag kayo doon sa iba, but here's the thing. Hindi tayo minsan sigurado kung saan galing yung spirulina po nila. The beauty here is kami po mismo ang nagfa-farm nito. It's farmed here in the Philippines, it's processed here, and you're sure na lahat po ng kulay na yan, every time you take spirulina po, kompleto po siya ng mga sustansya. Other brands po kasi, kaya siya mura, kinukuha po muna nila yung mga sustansya, tapos yung sapal, yun yung tinatablet nila, tapos binibenta nila sa Shopee. Okay? Hindi po kami yun. Okay? You are sure that when you're taking NanoCell spirulina, you are feeding your body the highest possible amount of nutrients in every single tablet. So tanong, kapatid, if you're watching right now, mag-spirulina ka na ba? Yan. So, type 5 in the chat box kung ikaw ay mag-spirulina or nag-spirulina ka na right now. No? So ano lang po, konti lang po disclaimer lang po. If you have autoimmune diseases such as lupus, such as, alam mo yun, yung mga psoriasis, yung mga ganyan, it's still good that you consult your doctor or you can even consult our experts here. No? So do not directly take it. Meron po tayong process na dadaanan bago po kayo mag-spirulina. Para at least hindi po, kasi po yung pag pinalakas ko yung immune system nyo, lalo pong tataas yung inyong autoimmune disease. Ayan. Alright. Thank you very much, Ma'am Fida, Sir Roy, si Huawei, si Leah, Philip, Sir Rene, for your participation. So next, let me ask you here. Meron bang stress dito? Meron bang stress? Sige nga. Sino bang hindi stress? Yun ang tanong, Sir Lem. Sino bang hindi stress? Okay? Now, if you are stressed right now, my friend, please, breathe. Hinga ka muna. Because actually, stress is not just a feeling, it has real effects on the body. Kasi po, no, many people who have gone through cancer treatment and all that, pag sila po ini-interview, tinatanong po yung kanilang lifestyle, marami po sa kanila, no, marami po talaga silang experience sa stress. May tanong dito, how about the tablet form of spirulina? Tablet form usually has a binder. That's a very good question, Polygon, no? Good thing po, balik lang ako ng konti spirulina bago ako bumalik dyan sa stress na yan. Ang spirulina po natin, wala po siyang binder. So, alam niyo po na may binder ang spirulina. Pag yan po ay kinrush ninyo, hindi siya nadudurog. Siya po ay fragmented. Para siyang salamin. Nababasag siya. So, pag ganun po, okay naman yung binder kung paminsan-minsan ka lang magtitake. Kaso, pag araw-araw mo yung iinumin, it will accumulate in your body. Now, binders, from the name itself, to bind, didikit yan. So eventually, if you take a lot of it, it will bind to your intestine, it will bind into kasi kung mag-spirulina tayo, madami, di ba? So, yun po yung danger of binders. Now, in our demo, you will see that ang spirulina ng NanoCell, zero binders. Okay? I hope that answered your question. Okay? So, next. So again, let's go back to stress. Kasi sino bang hindi stress? Sabi nga ni Sir Rene, normal na po yan. Tama guys? So, ito pong stress, sorry, nalilito tuloy ako, is actually po, no, it's part of life. But the problem here is, iba po yung stress natin ngayon. Kung iisipin mo, no, tinatanong ko nga yung mga elderlies natin, magkano bilhin nila doon sa bahay nila, magkano lang bilhin nilang bahay nila nung unang panahon, no? Yung bahay namin nabili ng nanay ko nasa 110,000 yata yun, yung bahay namin dati, no? It's a 5-bedroom house. Malaki-laki rin yung lupa. Nasa 110,000 pesos lang yon. Ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, kung bibili kang ganung kalaking bahay, you will have to spend millions, right? So very stressful po talaga ang buhay natin yun. Not to mention the traffic, not to mention how many challenges normal people are facing today. Saka yung mga sakit na meron ngayon, hindi yan sakit dati eh. No? Yung madalang po yung cancer dati eh. Kasi nga po, hindi tayo kasing stress ngayon kumpara dati. And sad part is, it will just get worse. And itong low energy, fatigue, forgetfulness, and all of this will just get worse, as time passes by. And that's why we have to prevent it. We have to manage this. If not, ito ang effect po niyan. From cognitive decline, Alzheimer's, chronic digestive issues. Sino po dito yung pag dumudumi ka, parang yung dumi mo parang galapis na lang. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, stress na stress po kayo. So, please, 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 no? We need to, if you're stressed right now, listen to me. Listen to me right now. If you're stressed, hirap ka nang matulog, hindi ka makatulog, alam mo, lagi sumasakit ang ulo mo, you're not functioning at a higher level, ang dami mong kailangan trabaho, hindi mo magawa yung trabaho mo. Listen, listen, listen. Listen to me right now. My friend, listen to me. This is for you. You need to take this product. It's called Berry ORAC Value. So what is this? Berry ORAC Value po is a supplement made from different ingredients. Majority are berries. Now, bakit berries? Now, according to kay Doc Ron, no, na sa kanyang mga research, no, sa pag-aaral niya about diseases, nakita niya that berries actually contains most ng mga kailangan natin na mga antioxidant, so that we will be able to fight off all of these free radicals in our environment. Kaya po yung mga berries pala, ginawa siyang masarap para lagi natin siyang kakainin. Kasi berries yan, nandyan siya lagi. Eat it a lot. No? Kumbaga gusto ni Lord, i-load natin yung sarili natin sa mga berries kasi ito yung kailangan meron tayo araw-araw. Why? Because these berries can actually fight off these free radicals and it can prevent a lot of diseases. So, ano bang meron dyan? Tingnan nyo po ito. Look at the following ingredients. take a screenshot. Take a screenshot and then go to Google, isa-isahin nyo po yung mga benefits ng bawat ingredient po na yan. It's so powerful. Alam niyo po, no, sobrang blessed tayo kasi we have Dr. Sheila, our formulator, for creating such a wonderful product. Dito po si Sir Allen. Alam niyo si Sir Allen, sa amin sa corporate, siya yung isa sa mga pinakamatagal na po dito. Love na love po niya tong Berry Ora. And actually, ito yung hindi niya pinapawala, no? Especially sa mama niya. Na talagang ito talaga, lagi niyang bukang bibig itong product na to kasi sobrang powerful po nito. And even the sweetener na ginagamit natin is tomatin. Hindi lang nilagay dyan, no? I-research niyo po yan. All of these ingredients will help in increasing the quality of your life. So if you are stressed, the more nutrients that you are consuming, spirulina. When you are stressed, the more free radicals that you're producing, you need Berry Ora. So by taking this product on a short-term basis, you will feel more energy. Okay? Guys, tataas ang productivity mo. Feeling mo parang hindi mo matapos yung report, hindi mo matapos yung trabaho, yung ang tagal-tagal ng trabaho, nakatenga lang, hindi mo magawa-gawa, i-take mo to for 12 days. I challenge you. Take it for 12 days. And you will feel as if tumalino ka, as if mas naging focus ka. Ganun yung effect niya. And if you're a student, if you're a student right now, hirap na hirap ka mag-program, take this product. Alam ko, stress na stress ka na. Take mo tong product na to. You will feel more energized, you will have better sleep, and you will be more focused. Naalala niyo yung kumbaga, 'di ba, we only use 10% of our brain power. What if this is the only product na kailangan mo in order to increase your brain power? Maybe another 10%, 20%, 30%, who knows? No? Just take it daily for better brain health. Bukod doon, may enzyme siya na tutulong na tunawin yung mga kinakain mo. So tutulong din to sa digestion para hindi ka na constipated. So once marami ka ng enzymes na nakakain, pag kumain ka na ng food, nababawasan din yung mga allergies. You're gonna feel better. Mababawasan yung bloatedness. And you will have a surge of energy. And you will become more productive. Kaya kapatid, if you're listening, i-Berry Orac mo na yan. Okay? Berry Orac value, available na po yan dito. 1.2 million antioxidants and enzymes in every sachet when you take it. So, ang tanong dyan, Lem, paano ba inumin yan? So, you get a sachet, lagay nyo lang po sa ilalim ng dila. Okay? Take it under the tongue. Huwag ka munang uminom ng tubig. Sipsipin mo lang siya. Let your saliva mix with it so that it will be absorbed directly agad, no? Sublingually. So it will bypass the gut and it will go straight to your brain. Anong effect? Food enhancer. Sasaya ka. Try nyo. Don't just take my word for it. You gotta take it for yourself. Pag tinake nyo po to, you will feel better. Alright? Ayos po ba? Sino gusto mag-try nito? Ulitin ko ha. Sa ilalim po ng dila. Baka makita ko, yung iba dyan baka sinisinghot ha. Hindi po ganun. Kidding aside ha. Kidding aside. It's really good for you. Okay? Try nyo po ito. Thank you, Huawei. No? Na-try daw po nila yan. So, welcome po pala sa Team Bicol. Sabi ni Sir Philip. If you are from Team Bicol, type 5 in the chat box so we could address you properly. Good evening po sa inyo. Good evening. Hello, Miss Anne. Welcome to NanoCell. We welcome you here. Thank you for coming. So, tanong, Ma'am Anne, magbe-Berry Ora ka na ba? Mag-Berry Ora na po tayo. Very powerful product. So, again, tapos na tayo sa release. Tapos na tayo sa reload. The next is to renew. Now, in the study of health, this is a new frontier na kung saan our scientists are deeply going towards studying the cell and how to improve the quality of life. So, if you want to, ito lang gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. If some of you here, wala ka naman sakit, fine, fantastic, good. Pero until when kaya na ganyan ka? Okay, ulitin ko yung tanong ha. If you are already feeling good, okay ka right now, wala kang sakit, you're in your prime. Until when kaya maglalast yan? So dito i-explain ko sa iyo, bakit ka okay pa ngayon? At paano mo yan pwedeng mapahaba pa? So ang goal ko po dito is not just to remove any disease, pero gusto ko mapahaba pa natin yung prime years mo. Di ba? Yung ganda mo ngayon, ma-maintain natin yan. Yung katisigan mo ngayon, i-maintain natin yan. Through this step called renew. So we are made up of trillions of cells. And every year, no, namamatay yung mga cells. In a total of 7 years, wala na yung mga dating cell natin. So every 7 years, bagong tao ka. Repeat every 7 years, you're a new person kasi yung mga lumang cell mo napalitan na. Now, ang tanong, ano yung pumapalit sa iyo na cell? Are they sickly or are they youthful cells? So tingnan natin. So if you are a person who's struggling with high sugar, no, high blood sugar, if you're a person who have problem managing your weight, don't have the energy, meron kang PCOS, no, to some women nagkaka-PCOS, ang dami nilang pimple, nagkakabigote, lumalaki po sila, yung menstruation nila on and off, either sobrang hina o kaya sobrang lakas, or maybe you have persistent allergies. Dati naman wala ka namang allergy sa crabs, ngayon maamoy mo lang yung crabs, nangangati ka na. Now all of this is related to your cells. Now look at this our energy in the body is very important, especially sa cell po natin. Now, in creating energy, the cell, okay, this your cell, contains what we call a mitochondria. Depende po sa cell, meron kang mga nasa 1,000 to 2,000 na mga mitochondria in your cell. Now, ang trabaho niya is to get the sugar, no, yung sugar na kinain mo, gagamitin niya yon, i-convert niya yan into ATP. Now, ATP is the chemical form of energy, no? Adenosine triphosphate. This ATP goes to your pancreas. Now, take note. Kapag ikaw ay warrior, itin ko in traditional Chinese medicine, bawat emotion nai-store sa isang organ. For example, malungkutin ka sa lungs. Takot ka lagi, kidney. Galit ka lagi, liver. Okay? So bawat organ, meron siyang kino-contain na emotion. This according to traditional Chinese medicine. Actually, it's a science also, no? Sa Singapore, merong malaking hospital yan sila. TCM ang tawag. Now, ang pancreas, alam mo kung anong dinadala ng pancreas? Anong emotion? So malaman? Worry. Sinong mahilig mag-worry dito? Sinong mahilig mag-worry? If you are a worrier, lagi, paano kaya to? Ano ba yun, yung mga problema, bago mangyari, ang dami ng problema ng isip. Now, if you're a worrier, it actually makes your pancreas weak. Okay? Additional info yan So please, no, kailangan ma-manage natin yung worry natin because your pancreas gets weak. Now, pag ang pancreas, no, natamaan na siya ng ATP, the next step is that it will go to your insulin. Magiging insulin naman po siya. Now, the insulin is like a key. Bubuksan niya yung cell para makapasok ngayon yung sugar. Okay? Now, yung sugar, pag makapasok yan sa cell, gagawin na ulit siyang energy ng mitochondria. So, ito po yung cycle natin. So, tinan mo to. Paano kung yung pancreas mo mahina kasi warrior ka? So, mababawasan pa yung insulin mo. Kukunti yung mapasok na sugar sa cells mo. Eh what if ang problema pa, yung mitochondria mismo may problema na. So, tinan niyo po itong illustration na to. Di ba yung ating kotse, pag kunyari nagda-drive, bago ka mag-drive, start mo yung car, narinig mo lang, click, click, click. Ayaw niyang mag-start. Ibig sabihin, diskargado yung baterya. Kahit naka-full tank ka, no? Di ba ikaw lagi ka naka-full tank? Naka-it all you can tayo lagi, no? Puno-puno lagi yung siya natin So naka-full tank tayo. Pero bakit parang wala tayong energy? Lagi kang lobat, no? Ang taas-taas ng sugar mo lagi. It's because kahit marami kang kinain, hindi naman siya nako-convert into energy. Hindi dahil kulang ka sa hindi dahil kulang ka sa insulin. In fact, ang dami mo na sinasaksak na insulin, mataas pa rin sugar mo. So anong problema? It's because the battery, your mitochondria is no longer working, my friend. So ang tanong, is there a way to reset our mitochondria? There is. And that is what we call berberine. Berberine is a nutrient that's been known for centuries or maybe thousands of years, millennia already, that this can actually help, no, in lowering down your blood sugar. Marami po siyang mga sources. So we got the best sources of berberine and we placed it into a supplement in the name of berberine din. Okay? So this berberine is 98% pure berberine that you can take on a daily basis. Ito po ang sobrang sikat ngayon na bagong nutrient that everybody needs to have. So hindi lang po siya sugar blocker, it's a sugar metabolizer. So when you take it, no, after meals, what happens is yung sugar level natin mas mabilis na po siyang bababa kasi mamametabolize nyo na po yung inyong sugar sa inyong blood. So remember, sugar down, energy up. Who wants more energy? Who wants more energy? So if you want more energy, definitely this is for you. So kung inaantok po kayo pagkatapos kumain, nako mag-berberine ka na kapatid. Ngayong Ber months, huwag kalimutan, i-berberine mo na po yan. Oh, by the way, a big shoutout po kay Coach Jetro ng General Santos at Philip ng Philippine Airline at Ate Mami ng Tansa. Hello po. Big shoutout po sa inyo, guys. So, tanong po, so ano, magbe-berberine na ba tayo? No, so sa mga hindi rin po nakakaalam, no, ang berberine po bukod po sa sugar metabolization niya, it can also help people with PCOS. Now, ang PCOS, wag po ninyong pagwalang bahala po yan because PCOS can actually turn into ovarian cancer if left unchecked. That happened to my sister. No, buti na lang po my sister is doing better now. Also, kung mataas po ang inyong cholesterol level, berberine can also help you. Fatty liver, berberine can help you. Heart problem, berberine can help you. Allergies, berberine can help you po. Napakadami po niyang applications. Okay? So please, no, if you are here for the first time, ngayon nyo lang po narinig po ito, research about it, learn more about it because truly, this product can really save a lot of lives. Now, ang tanong lang, Lem, bakit sa Nano Cell ako bibili sa lahat-lahat po ng mga available in the market right now? Actually, guys, kami po, chinecheck po namin yung kung anong nasa market. And since we have our own R&D, we have our own analytical laboratory. So what happens, chinecheck po namin yung mga supplier na iba't iba kung anong level ng berberine nila. Now, right now po, ang norm, 30% lang po ang purity. 30% lang po ang purity ng mga nabibili natin dyan sa online. So ginawa namin, ano ba magiging advantage ng NanoCell? Ginawa po namin siya 98% pure. Bakit 98 but hindi 100? Kasi nag-add po tayo dyan ng green tea for better absorption po. So that's why it's 98%. Now, every time you take this, katumbas po niyan ilang capsule po nung sa iba. So remember, when you're taking this, you're taking in quality. It's your body. You're gonna take it orally. Make sure that it's safe, pure, and it is really going to give you the right benefits. Okay po ba yun? So guys, magbe-berberine na ba tayo? Definitely, no? I love taking this product. This gave me so much energy na po. So now we go to our last product, and I would say our best product, which is all about how to stop aging. Ba't ba natin gustong mas maging bata? No? Not just, hindi naman sa years, but biologically, to look younger. Di ba? Actually, may reunion nga kami this December. No? Siyempre, magkikita-kita kami ng mga classmate natin. Ang ayokong mangyari is, dinadaan-daanan ka lang ng mga kaibigan mo. Sabihin nila, ay sorry, hindi kita nakilala. Ikaw pala yan. Akala ko kung sino, di ba? Ayaw natin marinig yon. But bukod po dun sa looks, bukod dun sa beautification, why we want to look younger or feel younger, or that's why we take antioxidants. That's why we take stem cell products, is because we want to prevent the following illnesses from heart disease, cancer, diabetes, asthma, and the likes. Now, all of these are fruits of what? Accelerated aging. But ba't pa tayo tumatanda ng mas mabilis? Ano ba yung difference natin ngayon? Basically, there's a science called gerontology, and this science has identified 9 reasons why we age faster. Ito po yung siya. Are you ready? So these are the 9 hallmarks of aging. From genome instability to telomere attrition, ayoko masyadong maging technical dito, lahat po iyan ang dahilan kung bakit yung cells natin hindi na siya makareplicate ng mabilis at ng healthy. Now remember, di ba sabi ko, every 7 years, bagong nilalang ka na kasi wala na yung mga luma mong cells. Ang problema, yung pumapalit sa atin ng mga cells, may sakit din. Every 7 years, dapat mas bata ka. No? Kung nagkasakit ka man during those 7 years, ang problema, yung pumapalit dun sa mga luma mong cells, mas luma pa, mas may sakit pa ho sila because of the following reasons. That's why many people, they go towards stem cell, no? Stem cell therapy. But when you look at the list, no, number 7 lang po yung stem cell. Take note, number 7 po yung stem cell sa mga problema po natin. Now, if you come to think of it, number 7 lang yung sinosolve nila. Paano yung 1 to 6? Nakalimutan na po nila yun. Now, good thing we have our gerontologist here in Nanosci. Her name is Dr. Sheila. So sabi niya, what if there was a stem cell activation product na hindi lang stem cell ang focus niya? Ang goal niya, lahat to. Lahat ng mga problems, all of the 9 hallmarks of aging, tatamaan niya. And that's why we have Ultima Stem Plus. Ultima Stem Plus is the only product today that focuses on the 9 hallmarks of aging, hindi lang po yung stem cell activation. Now, the beauty here is it contains the following ingredients na I would say state of the art. These are the cream of the crop. These are the nutrients na inaaral po right now, cutting edge science that they found out that can really help reverse the effects of aging. Now, from NMN, which is nicotinamide mononucleotide, yan po yung pinakasikat ngayon na stem cell activator, meron po tayong other ingredients that will work together so that yung stem cell mo, dadami sila at hindi lamang yon, lahat ng mga ibang problema, masosolve pa niya. But, hindi tayo titigil dyan. Kasi, may plus tayo eh. Di ba? Sabi nga natin, Ultima Stem Plus. Now, for years, Nanosci, our manufacturing company, the source of all of these products, have been helping people with cancer. How? Through the product called Ultima. This product has helped thousands of people fight off cancer. Na they're living a life today na parang wala silang cancer. How? Because this powerful berry contains vitamin B17 that can actually stop, prevent the spread of cancer. Research nyo po yung vitamin 17 and how it kills cancer. The beauty here is this is also included in the Ultima Stem Plus. So what you're getting is not just a product to prolong your prime, but also help to protect you from cancer, diabetes, kidney problems, and the likes. No? And ang beauty rin po dito is that tayo po ang nagmamanufacture lahat nito. Remember niyo po yung video ko kanina? No? Pakita ko lang ulit. Ganyan po ako maglakad dati. Awang-awa sa akin yung anak ko. Sorry, yung video medyo choppy. But if you can see, I'm having a hard time walking. Nakasmile ako niya kasi natutuwa ako, medyo nakakalakad po ako. But it's very painful. Hirap na hirap po ako dyan. But I'm gonna show you another video of myself after ko pong gumamit ng Ultima STEM Plus. Okay? This is exactly after 5 days of taking the product. Gulat na gulat po ako niyan kasi biglang tumayo yung anak ko dun sa kanyang high chair. Andun ako sa kitchen. Tumakbo ako. Napatakbo po ako bigla. Nagulat ako, paano ako nakapunta dito ng sobrang bilis? No? Yung pala, nawala na yung pain. I do not feel any pain anymore. So, playing now. Do you see it? Sorry, magkakami yata on my side. Hindi pa rin kita. Okay, wait a minute. Let me do that again. Let me do that again. So when I started taking this product, I was so amazed of how fast the effect was. Ito lang, balik ko lang ng konti. Let me share one more time. Sayang kasi pag hindi nyo ito nakita eh. Is it there? Can you type 5? You can see my screen na. Yeah. Alas 2. Alas 3. Ayan, yan, yan. So was me. I was running. I was running. Sabi ko, praise the Lord. Hindi ko hindi ko nagagawa yan for a long time. And yung anak ko, no? Gulat na gulat. Gulat na gulat siya nung nabuhat ko siya. And all I can say is praise the Lord. No? Napakabuti po ng Panginoon dahil may gantong klaseng mga product. So right now po, before I end, I just wanna tell you this. We're not here to, yeah, it's not about just taking products eh. We're not here to promote certain products lang. That's not it eh. Ang goal kasi talaga dito ng Nanosci is to help you have better memories, no, with your family. For me, yun talaga eh. That's the reason why I'm doing this. Because when my father died kasi, when my father passed away, looking back, tapos ngayon nasa Nanosci na ako, sabi ko, sana alam ko na to dati mga products na to. Kundi baka kasama ko pa ngayon si Papa. So I just want to challenge you right now. Take care of your health, no? Because again, the money, the family, the relationships, the mission you have, it won't really materialize, or you won't be able to enjoy it if you will not take care of yourself. And to the senior citizens, I'm talking to the senior citizens in the room. The best gift that you can ever give your family is for you to be healthy. That's the best gift you can ever give us. Never ever think na, ay hindi, bibigay ko na lang to sa anak ko. Ay hindi, pipirin ko na lang sarili ko. No, 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 no. How I wish my father is still here. Ano, magpapasko na naman. How I wish my dad is here. That's why I'm challenging you, my friend. Right now, nalaman mo na to, no? Kaya mo lang. Aralin mo lang. Try mo lang. Tell the person nag invite sa'yo, how can I begin? How can I start this? Ano bang suggestion mo how I could begin my journey here with NanoCell and actually take care of my body? Because again, my friends, it's sayang po talaga. Sayang yung buhay, sayang po yung memories kung hindi natin naalagaan ang katawan natin. So again, maraming salamat po for listening. Thank you very much for being part of this short presentation. And I hope to see you again po sa ating upcoming na presentation. So if you have any questions po, feel free to just chat in the chat box. I'm more than willing to share whatever information you guys need more. So I'm gonna, again, if you have any more questions, I'm more than willing to answer all of that. Okay? So by the way, if you guys would like to have consultations about about specific illnesses, baka may mga sakit kayo talaga na gustong gustong ipa-consult, no, we have experts to help you out, no? So let us know. Let us know how we could help you. Give us yung mga details, let's say yung mga lab results, mga ganyan. So we can even ask Doctora and our experts how we can help you. Okay? So, yeah, thank you so much din po, Tov. And also high five to Sir Allen. So again, thank you very much, everybody. Remember po, no? It's never too late. It's time to reset. Everybody, thank you very much for coming. Love you all, guys. Thank you for coming. Is it okay? Can we just have one good photo before we all go? Okay. Okay lang ba? Kung okay lang naman, can you turn on your cameras, guys? Let's just have a quick photo. Big shoutout din kay Coach Alan who's here with us. Hello, Coach. Namiss kita, brother. Ayan, si Sir Allen is here. Our systems and technical director is here. Sir Allen. Oh, my brother Gideon is here. Toph is here. He's traveling. Ma'am Hannah. I didn't see you a while ago. Ma'am Hannah is here. Ma'am Kat is here. Ma'am Ann is all here. So, okay. So, everybody, give me a high five and I'll take the screenshot in 3, 2, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot. Thank you very much. Sir Bernard, thank you for coming. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'll see you guys again in our upcoming event. Have a great, great evening. Enjoy the rest of the night. Okay? So confirmation, Monday, 8 product po, Wednesday po, business po. Yes po, sir. We will be announcing po on our official page po yung ating official na mga schedule po. I'll let you know po. God bless everybody. Have a good night. Bye-bye.